Imagine waking up every morning with $86,400 freshly deposited into your bank account. No catches, no conditions. But there is one rule. Whatever you don't spend by the end of the day disappears forever. You can't save it, you can't carry it over, and when the clock resets at midnight, the remaining balance is simply gone. And then the next day, you wake up and there's another $86,400 waiting for you. It's like a loop. Knowing that, you'd probably do everything in your power to spend it wisely and fully, right? You wouldn't just let it sit there. You'd use it, enjoy it, invest it, because you know tomorrow brings another fresh $86,400. You'd want to make the most of every dollar, right? Every day, life gives you 86,400 seconds. Once they're gone, they don't come back. You can't bank them, pause them, or refund them. But you can choose how to spend them wisely and intentionally. So why waste time? You say you don't have time, but that's strange, isn't it? Because you had time to scroll TikTok for hours today. You had time to binge watch shows. You had time to overthink things that didn't really matter. You see, it's not that you don't have time. You do, but you're just spending it on irrelevant things. You have the exact same hours in a day as every successful person you admire. They aren't getting bonus time. The difference is how they use their time. They spend it wisely, intentionally, and with a mindset that treats every moment like something valuable, not something guaranteed. Just like right now, I'm sharing insights that can genuinely help you. It may feel free, but you are paying me with something valuable, your time. Time is currency, time is precious. And because of that, the wise ones choose their actions with purpose, focus, and clarity. That's exactly why you need a system. Something simple, realistic, and actually usable. Because once you understand the true value of your time, the next step is learning how to manage it with intention. Here are 3 powerful frameworks. Must do today. This is the backbone of the system. Every morning or the night before, figure out 2 or 3 things you must do today. Why 2 or 3? Because you dramatically overestimate how much you can do in a day, but underestimate how much you can do in a year. You create huge to-do lists and then feel guilty for not finishing them. You forget that life is full of interruptions, delays, and surprises. But when you choose just 2 or 3 must-dos, you finally finish them and you build momentum instead of guilt. Your must-dos should be impact tasks, not busy work. Could be sending an important email, finishing the project outline, studying for 45 minutes, going to the gym, cleaning the kitchen. These are the things that if done, it makes you feel like the day was worth it. Everything else is extra. Should do today. These are things that would be nice to get done, but are not essential for today. Maybe some things like organizing your files, doing laundry, grocery shopping, working on a passion project, planning next week. You can add 3 to 6 items here. They're optional bonuses. This is where most of your motivation or extra energy should go after finishing your must-dos. If your day goes well, great. You do some should-dos. If your day explodes into chaos, also great, because the must-dos still carried the day. Will not do today. This is the list most people have never made in their entire lives, and yet it changes everything. Every day, choose 1 to 3 things you will not do. This could be no social media until noon, not binge watching shows, not buying anything online. This matters because time management isn't just about what you do, it's about what you refuse to do. Your time is limited, and if you don't set boundaries, the world will fill your schedule for you. Creating deliberate won't-do items frees up mental space and energy. It also helps you stick to your must-dos because you're not distracting yourself. When you start seeing time as something you invest, your whole life begins to shift. Every second becomes an opportunity, every minute becomes a choice, and every day becomes a chance to build the life you want.